What is YouTube customization? What does it mean when someone says like you're going to customize your channel? What we're going to do is we're going to briefly go over that. All right, let's say you want to do some customizations to your YouTube channel. You're going to click here and you're going to click on YouTube Studio. So inside of a YouTube Studio, there's a lot of cool stuff. But for customization of your channel, so on the very bottom here, there's a lot of cool stuff. So first off is the layout of when the person first goes to your channel. Now there's the channel trailer, there's a featured video for returning subscribers. I personally don't do these because I know it's actually annoys people. Just personal. What I learned the hard way. If I go into branding, here is the logo picture. Here is the banner, and here is the watermark. So all these you can customize. Then lastly, we have the basic info. So what is the name of the channel, the handle of it. So this is so that way someone can just type it in to go directly to your channel. We also have, let's see, the description of it, of your channel, the channel URL. So we have the one that doesn't change. So if you change your channel later on, this is the link that will never change. And then we have the custom URL. Before it was Pascal Jardine, now it's Blender for YouTube. In the future, this might change if I want to change to the channel again. And then there's my email. So yeah, so this is the basis of the customization. So play around with this, figure out what works for you, what doesn't work for you. What works for me is I have the list of all my videos in my feature selection and the multiple playlists, and I have some very basic, logos and stuff. But this is the basics for the YouTube customization. Welcome to the end of the video. Now go watch this video. Go watch the video. Click on it. Click on it. Click on the video. Go watch that video. Click on it. Click on the video.